Good day, I'm Marialyn Isabel Di Talento and I am currently an on-the-job training intern from the College of Computer Studies at Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. I am pursuing a degree in BS Information Technology. So, for the company profile, the National Economic and Development Authority now is restructured and renamed as the Department of Economy, Planning and Development, or DepEd, has long served as the Philippines' premier socio-economic planning agency. With its transformation, DepEd continues NEDA's legacy by focusing more strategically on long-term national development goals, policy coordination, and the integration of development planning across sectors. This shift aims to strengthen the country's capacity to respond the evolving economic challenges, promote inclusive growth, and streamline planning processes in aligned with the national vision. The mission and vision of DevDevs. For the mission, DevTech's mission is to formulate continuing, coordinated, and fully integrated socio-economic policies, plans, and programs. For the vision, envisions the countries where public and private sectors perform their respective roles efficiently, such that people have equal access to opportunities, resulting in inclusive development and zero poverty. So this is the organization structure of NEDA. It highlights how various divisions and departments are coordinated to meet the agency's development planning goals. As interns, we mostly collaborated with the Information and Communication Technology Services or ICTS division. So this is the accomplishment report for the week of March and week 1 to 3 of April. So during that week, I was mainly involved in developing the change request management system using Laravel. So for the week of April and week 1 to 3 of May, I also supported hardware troubleshooting, account management, and network related tasks. These activities allowed me to apply what I've learned in school to real world scenarios. So here are some of the documentation photos from my OJT. This was our orientation day at NCO, NCO, and we also attended the flag ceremony. Here I experienced developing the change request management system at ISDD in Mega Tower. This photo was the presentation day of the system at Mega Tower. This photo is the visit of our OJT coordinator in Mega Tower. And this is the photo with my supervisor and IND task staff and co-OJTs. This is where I am doing the hardware troubleshoot. This photo where I rename an existing user account to reflect the currently assigned employee in the Commission on Audit. This photo where I conducted a diagnostic report for 9 televisions in the Asset Management Division, a task assigned by Mr. This photo where I assisted the internet service provider technicians in the ICTS server room at Mega Tower during the inspection of the internet mod. This photo where We have a culminating activity for all the interns with ICTS Network Division staff and co-OJTs in NCO. So my learning during my OJT, I got practical experience with the Laravel PHP framework and learned more about the change request management system I helped create. By assisting staff troubleshooting issues and resolving tickets. I learned how to collect and organize data effectively. This experience helped me improve my communication skills, especially in explaining technical information in a clear and simple way, so both technical and non-technical team members could easily understand the solution I provided. To the conclusion, to the conclusion of this presentation overall, my judgment is that my on-the-job training at NEDA was a very good experience. It gave me many opportunities to learn new things, improve my skills, and grow as a future professional. I am grateful for the opportunity and will gladly recommend the NEDA to other students seeking a helpful and rewarding training experience. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you.